So I bought a car off COPART UK. As you can see, it's a Dodge Caliber SXT. Didn't get the chance to go around and have a look at it when I first bought it, so everything I bought was off the pictures online. At the time I didn't know that this front wheel had actually broken its tyre rod. Now, when it got delivered, I had to get it off the road as soon as possible, so I have actually fixed that already. But other than that, I don't really know anything about this car. So I'm going to have a quick look around it. Before we do that, my name's Dan Harrison, welcome to this channel. Okay, so follow me, let's have a quick look. So obviously the first thing we saw in the pictures, I got a damaged front bumper. That's quite bad. I'm not going to save that. That's well broke. It looks like whatever happened took quite a bit of an impact on this wing. There's no chance I'm even going to try and save that. The door, that ain't so bad. I'll look into that, but I'm pretty sure I can save that. Somehow, the mirror's saved. All of the impact looks like is at the front. I've got no damage around the back. Again, it's just dirt. Got a bit of condensation in this light, but I'm pretty sure I can get that out. I know a few troubles. So I'm missing a fuel filler cap, but that's not a problem. I can get one of them. I don't think that's going to be too expensive. As for everything else, generally quite tidy. It's only done 105,000 miles, so again the mileage is pretty good. Now I have dipped the oil already, and it looks like it had a service not that long ago. But underneath, again, we're very tidy. It looks just dusty, probably from where it's been kept. Okay, so now I've had a look around. Obviously, this is where the biggest bit of the damage is. Now, as I said before, I've already replaced the tyre rod end and the track rod on the front, which is still not sitting too pretty. She's cambering in, and I need to get a look at that. So today's mission is I'm going to jack her up, get that wheel off, I'm going to check what's going on under there. And if I need to order parts, I can get them on order while I get the rest of it. So sorry guys, but the camera died. To be honest, I wasn't expecting it to take that long, but as you saw, I was really struggling with that. It seemed every time it arced, it just blew a hole in it. It was so paper thin. Now I'm not the best welder in the world, but I've done quite a bit on some classic old rusty stuff, and that was a nightmare. But anyway, while the camera was died, I did manage to get through it. I'm not going to lie, it was a bit of a patchwork, so much so it's deformed the seal that much that I've slapped it with a load of body filler. So where I'm at right now, I'm going to let that go off, then I'll sand it down, see where I'm at, and that's when I'll hit it with the primer and the paint. But for now, I'm going to pack it up. I've had enough today, so I'll see you in the next one.